If you use OneNote in more than one language, or you simply want the menus, buttons and spell check settings to match your preference, this video will show you exactly how to change the language on OneNote step by step. It's a quick setting, but if you don't know where to look, it can be a little confusing. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process in a simple way that anyone can follow. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open OneNote on your computer. Once OneNote is open, look to the top left corner and click File. This takes you into the main settings and account area where you can manage preferences for the app. From the menu on the left side, scroll all the way down and click Options. This opens the OneNote Options window, where you can change all kinds of settings, including language. Now, in the OneNote Options window, click Language. This is where Microsoft lets you manage both the display language and the proofing language for your Office apps. Next, click the Add a Language button. A list of available languages will appear. You can scroll through the list or type the language you want to find it faster. Once you see your preferred language, select it. If you want the menus, buttons and interface text to change to that language, make sure you check the box for Set as Office Display Language. If you only want the language installed for spell checking and writing support, you can leave that unchecked and just install it for proofing. After selecting the language and choosing the correct option, click Install. OneNote will begin downloading and setting up the language pack. Once the language is installed, look under Office Display Language. Click on your preferred language there, then click Set as Preferred. This moves it to the top of the list and tells OneNote to use it as your main display language. Now go down to Office Authoring Languages and Proofing. Find your language in that section and click Set as Preferred there too. This makes it your default spell check language, which is especially useful if you write notes in that language often. After that, click OK at the bottom of the window to save everything. The last step is very important. Restart OneNote. The new language settings usually won't fully apply until you close and reopen the app. Once OneNote restarts, you should see your chosen language reflected in the interface or proofing settings, depending on what you selected. And that's it. You've now changed the language on OneNote. Whether you wanted to switch the full interface language or just update spell checking, you can now work in the language that feels right for you. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.